Una, dos, y tres. What's up, everybody? Amauris Hernandez here, if you're new. So for today's shoot, I'm going to be using this setup right here. I'm going straight to the point. A7III with a Tamron 20-70. Didn't use a Tamron, Sigma 35 all the way. With the XPLOR and 12 to 36 strip box, I believe. 36 or 39? I think it's 36. So for today's shoot, I'm shooting a couple friends of mine who have a loft in my hometown, and not gonna complain, the views are pretty nice. I will go inside and show you a bit, but they have copyright music playing. Sorry about the wind noise. Don't have the A64 yet. Like a double tooth. Alright guys, so here I'm just gonna take you through a step-by-step of what I'm doing. So pretty much I wanted to get like an angle, you know, they just got home and they want to go have some quality time. So here I'm adjusting the couch, trying to get a shot against that glass wall. Here is not a bad shot, but I don't know if you can see in the top left corner of my screen, on the photography screen, the monitor, the couch is still in frame, and it's not bad, but I wanted to capture his jacket as well, so I had to move up. I had to move my light a little bit tad over, and then move the top part of the couch a little bit more over, so it's out of the frame. So I'm moving out the couch a little bit more to the front, so it's not in the frame. Yeah, I'm gonna take a few test shots just to make sure it comes out the way that I want. Flash on, always gotta remember that. I liked it, and put the GoPro, took it out of my mouth, back into this case, and yeah, here we are. I don't want to hear no jokes about the mouth part, but yeah, took a few shots, and here are the results. Do like a tease kiss on them. Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Oh, you were taking pictures? Yeah. I thought you were showing her.
No, I was taking the photo at the same time, so you can see the frame.
Oh yeah, these are looking good as hell.
Ready, una, dos, y tres. Take like a fake sip and just glance at me. Yeah, mírame. There you go. Let me adjust myself. Fix this trend right here and you're. Is you gonna straight black?
No, because I added water just for fun.